In your Instagram, click the plus button to create a new post and click Story Highlight. While in the Story Highlight, click on the button to allow you to pick from your camera roll and go ahead and pick the icon that you want. Pinch and drag until it's centered in the size that you want, and then type in the text that you want to show below your Instagram highlight cover. Click Add, and you'll see it show up towards the front. And let's do that again. So click the plus button at the top to create a new story highlight post. Click on that little picture button to pick from your camera roll. Select the highlight cover that you want. Pinch and drag to resize and center. Click Done, and then type in your highlight cover text. Then click Add, and you're all done.